Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change your account name on Windows 11. So firstly click on start, type control panel, open control panel. Now here select view by as large icons. Now guys, in this list you have to find out user accounts. Now guys, we can see here my this local account name is TechNotes. If you want to change name, so click on change your account name. Now type new account name like Tech Pro Advice. Then click on change name. So now we can see here new name. So it's a local account and we don't need email and password. But if you have the Microsoft account, so you need email and password. And if you want to change that, so click on start, then settings. Here click on accounts. And here guys, you have to sign in with email and password. So click on email and accounts. Now select your account like this one. So expand your account, then click on manage. Now enter password for your account. Then again click on sign in. So guys, here you will see your name. To change your name, click on your info. And click on edit name. So enter your new name and last name and captcha. So this is the way guys you can change your name in Windows 11, your account name on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.